wanted to talk to you today about a couple things. Instead of waiting until the hail season, we'd like to, kind of give y'all some tips and things so that y'all can be prepared for when the hail comes. Because in Texas, it's not if, it's when. So a couple things I wanted to talk about was, since you have all this time at the house right now, get out and look around your house. Check and see if your gutters are full. If they are, clean them out. Go around the exterior, check to see if you have any shingles that are missing, or you see any marks on your shingles. And if you can, get up there and check it out. If not, give us a call. We'll come over and come inspect that for you for free. Some other things to look for would be discoloration in the drywall and your ceiling. See if anything's leaking coming from inside. Sometimes after hail hits the first time, it'll take a little while for those leaks to kind of happen. A lot of times it just seems to end up close to the fireplace where flashing and stuff like that is too. So check all those things out. Another thing is kind of go over your insurance paperwork and see where you're at there. Do you have a 1% deductible, 2% deductible? If so, how much is that? Maybe something you should put aside. And if you're not covered the right way, maybe now's the time to kind of think about that rather than wait until hail season. Your house gets beat up by hail, and then you're trying to scramble to get all these things fixed. So just a couple things to think about. Thank you.